If you've cleaned the inside and the outside of your glass oven door and you're still seeing streaks, it's because there might be food dripping down on the inside between the panes of glass. As you can see here, this streak looks like it's on the outside, but it's not. It's actually on the inner surface of the outer pane, and that other streak is on the inside surface of the inner pane. So there's no way to reach it from the outside the door. So what do? You make a cleaning wand and you go in from below. I removed the access panel from underneath there, and on the edge of the door, the bottom edge of the door, are slots. And you can slip this wand, which is just a bent piece of wire with a moistened glass cleaning wipe on it. Force it up in there, and there it is. Now that's between the glass. So you have to bend the wire a little bit, but by working it back and forth, there you can see some of that's already gone after just a minute. And because there are 2 or 3 slots on the bottom edge of this door, you can pull out the cleaning wand, move it over, and clean the entire glass pane from the inside.